Hello friends, in this video we are going to discover the top 8 least polluted cities in the United States. According to the National Institute of Environmental Health Sciences, vehicle emissions, fuel oils, natural gas used to heat homes, byproducts of manufacturing and power generation, particularly coal-fueled power plants, and fumes from chemical production are the primary sources of human-made air pollution. Each year, 9 million people die globally from air pollution, significantly threatening global health, prosperity, and human existence. In the U.S., the number of deaths attributable to air pollution has dropped substantially in the past 30 years, signifying the efforts of states, cities, and communities to improve the air quality of their environment. An estimated 103,700 people died from air pollution in 1990, compared to 60,200 in recent year. Particulate matter, PM 2.5, is the leading cause of pollution-related deaths, which has declined since 1990 in the U.S. However, all is not okay yet, and states like California have a long way to go, still being home to some of America's most polluted cities. It's not just the USA, either. The notion of cities combating pollution extends around the world as well. For instance, the vibrant city of Zurich, Switzerland, is a magnet for international tourists and home to iconic museums and charming landscapes. But that's not all. It also boasts being the least polluted city in the world regarding particulate matter concentration. Similarly, these are the 8 least polluted cities in the USA, and the things they do to keep it that way. Kindly make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon before we start this video about the 8 least polluted cities in the United States. Now let's dig deeper into each of the top 8 least polluted cities in the United States. Number 8. Manhattan, New York. Average PM 2.5, μg/m3, 6.4 compared to 0.49 in Zurich. Bounded by the Hudson, East, and Harlem rivers, Manhattan is among the world's major commercial, financial, and cultural centers and the heart of the Big Apple. Its location and influence extend far beyond its borders, making it a global powerhouse. The city's landscape is dominated by the world's most iconic skyscrapers and globally famous attractions, like the Empire State Building, the Statue of Liberty, and Central Park. Plus, New York ranks high on many lists of top eco-friendly cities with the smallest carbon footprints in the United States, reflecting its dedication to a better environmental future. Manhattan is even smaller. The city has introduced several sustainable initiatives, from reducing meat consumption in schools to a higher focus on renewables. And with the many eco-friendly NYC tours available, the city's tourism also effectively plays its part in protecting the environment. Eco-friendly hotspots: Brooklyn Botanical Garden, Central Park, and the High Line. Eco-friendly hotels: Bryant Park Hotel, Casablanca Hotel by Library Hotel Collection, and Mint House at 70 Pine. Number 7. Omaha, Nebraska. Average PM 2.5, μg/m3, 6.25 compared to 0.49 in Zurich. Omaha, a modern city, is not only home to America's best zoo, the Henry Dorley Zoo, but also the headquarters of 4 Fortune 500 companies. These companies, Berkshire Hathaway, Kiewit Corporation, Mutual of Omaha, and the United States' largest railroad operator, Union Pacific Corporation, are indicators of the city's economic stability and potential, making Omaha an attractive destination for businesses and residents. From a community-supported agriculture program to expansive green spaces and alternative disposal programs, Omaha has initiated several programs to minimize its carbon footprint and foster a greener, more sustainable city. The Bob Carey Pedestrian Bridge is an iconic landmark in Omaha. The 3,000-foot bridge for walkers and cyclists connecting Nebraska and Iowa has become a green and pollution-free lifestyle benchmark. Eco-friendly hotspots: Henry Dorley Zoo, Bob Carey Pedestrian Bridge, and Lauritsen Gardens Omaha Botanical Center. Eco-friendly hotels: Marriott Downtown at Capitol District, Doubletree by Hilton, and Residence Inn by Marriott Old Market Area. Number 6. Denver, Colorado. Average PM 2.5, μg/m3, 6.23 compared to 0.49 in Zurich. Denver, the capital of Colorado, dates back to the Old West era. It is where urban sophistication meets outdoor adventure. Within an easy 2-hour drive, visitors to Denver's metropolitan area can get away and explore Colorado's rugged and majestic mountains, rivers, and parks. Hiking is one of the most popular outdoor activities in Denver, and with minimal environmental impact, it is naturally one of the best contributions to sustainable living. The best hiking trails near Denver offer breathtaking views and diverse challenges for hikers of all skill levels. With programs like Love My Air Denver and air quality monitoring at the neighborhood level, Denver's initiatives towards an eco-friendly environment and cleaner air have significantly lowered its pollution levels. Eco-friendly hotspots, Zero Waste Store, Farm and Market at Rhino, and Denver Botanic Gardens. Eco-friendly hotels, Halcyon, Spring Hill Suites, and Four Seasons. Number 5. The Bronx, New York. Average PM 2.5, μg/m3, 5.83 compared to 0.49 in Zurich. The Bronx, one of New York City's most well-known boroughs, has emerged as one of the most culturally exciting neighborhoods and is considered the home of rap and hip-hop culture, evident from the street art in different areas of the city. The Bronx is a haven for nature lovers, boasting several large, well-known parks, like Pelham Bay Park, Van Cortlandt Park, and the New York Botanical Garden. It's no wonder that the Bronx is NYC's greenest borough, with parkland alone making up nearly a quarter of its land cover. The NYC Parks Department and the largest community gardening program in the nation have ensured that many areas of NYC, especially the Bronx, are being transformed from concrete blocks to community gardens and urban farms. Eco-friendly hotspots, Central Park, and the High Line. Eco-friendly hotels, Halcyon, Spring Hill Suites, and Four Seasons. Number 4. Albuquerque, New Mexico. Average PM 2.5, μg/m3, 5.25 compared to 0.49 in Zurich. A high desert town in New Mexico's largest city, Albuquerque's ethnic and cultural diversity is reflected in its architecture, artwork, cultural centers, and cuisine. Albuquerque, once notorious for its polluted air quality, has seen a remarkable turnaround. Thanks to the successful implementation of sustainable initiatives, the city now proudly boasts a Good Air Quality Index, AQI, and ranks 5th on America's Most Improved Clean Energy Scorecard. Initiatives like the introduction of electric buses for public transportation, the installation of solar panels on public buildings, and the implementation of recycling programs are changing the air that residents and visitors of Albuquerque breathe. Eco-friendly hotspots, Desert Harbor Retreat Center, Valle del Oro National Wildlife Refuge, and Farm and Table Restaurant. Eco-friendly hotels, Hotel Albuquerque at Old Town, El Vado Motel, and Park Central. Number 3. Tucson, Arizona. Average PM 2.5, μg/m3, 5.25 compared to 0.49 in Zurich. Tucson, a city of culinary delights, is also a gateway to breathtaking outdoor adventures. The city's culinary scene, with its diverse restaurants, perfectly complements the natural wonders of the Southwest, such as Saguaro National Park and Sabino Canyon. Tucson Resilient Together is not just a climate action plan, it's a strategic roadmap to steer the city's emissions towards net zero by 2030. Tucson is a desert city at the forefront of pioneering water-saving technologies such as groundwater recharge, rainwater harvesting, and desalination. Together with a comfortable cost of living, the small towns within an hour of Tucson are drawing more people every year as an ideal retirement destination. The American Lung Association ranked Tucson number 6 nationwide for clean air and, as early as 2010, named Tucson 6th in the country for lowest year-round particle pollution. Ecotourism, too, gets a boost in Tucson, with multiple service providers offering eco-friendly tours for visitors. Eco-friendly hotspots, Tucson Botanical Garden, Sweetwater Wetlands Park, and Tumamoc Hill Hiking Trail. Eco-friendly hotels, White Stallion Ranch, Mirabel, Arizona, and Hacienda del Sol Guest Ranch. Number 2. Providence, Rhode Island. Average PM 2.5, μg/m3, 5.23 compared to 0.49 in Zurich. With small-town charm and big city culture, Providence, Rhode Island, boasts sophistication with museums, theaters, and year-round events. The 18th-century campus of Brown University, its landscaped Riverwalk Trail, and downtown streets with hip cafes and trend-setting bars are all part of Providence's lure and quintessential New England charisma. Providence is a popular travel destination and a leader in conservative and efficient energy and water use. This commitment to sustainability has propelled Rhode Island to second place in a state sustainability index recently compiled by Forbes Home, with Providence at the forefront of this initiative. The healthcare industry is responsible for 8.5% of America's carbon emissions, and so, years before sustainability became an emerging priority, Providence's Green Team was established in 1993. It aims to use renewable electricity throughout its network of 51 hospitals and 1,000 clinics by 2030 and hopes to divert 50% less waste to landfills by that period. Eco-friendly hotspots: Roger Williams Park Zoo, New Taconcanut Hill Park Loop Hiking Trail, and Waterplace Park. Eco-friendly hotels: Hampton Inn and Suites, Hotel Providence, and Providence Marriott Downtown. Number 1. Honolulu, Hawaii. Average PM 2.5, μg/m3, 3.91 compared to 0.49 in Zurich. Honolulu is the capital of Hawaii and the gateway to the U.S. island chain, renowned for its active volcanoes, diverse wildlife refuges, majestic peaks, and picturesque Crescent Beach, backed by palms and high-rise hotels. Even as a major tourist hub, with over 4.8 million visitors in 2022, Honolulu remains a beacon of clean air. This is largely thanks to the Hawaiian Legacy Reforestation Initiative, a commitment by the Hawaii Convention Center to plant 1 million legacy trees statewide, a significant contribution to the reforestation of native and endemic trees. The Foster Botanical Garden, spanning 13.5 acres, is a testament to Honolulu's commitment to eco-friendliness and a must-visit for nature enthusiasts. Honolulu's dedication to sustainability has been acknowledged with its recognition as one of the greenest cities in America in 2023, following in the footsteps of San Diego. Eco-friendly hotspots: Foster Botanical Garden, Diamond Head State Monument, and Hanauma Bay Nature Preserve. Eco-friendly hotels: Hampton Inn and Suites, Hotel Providence, and Providence Marriott Downtown. So, which are your favorite cities among the top 8 least polluted cities in the United States? Well, that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content of this video, click the subscribe button so you can receive more content like this. Post your favorite cities among the top 8 least polluted cities in the United States in the comments below. I'd love to read them and I'm sure others would too.